one of the most common things people say if you are on your manifestation journey is to raise your frequency, is to raise your vibrations to match to the vibrations and frequency of the goals and desires you have in your heart. So it's quite confusing how to do that, because you're doing you're doing visualization, you're doing writing, and you're doing affirmations, etc., but still it's not working for you. So in order to match your frequency to the frequency of your desires and goals is it's very easy. So what I follow the gratitude technique. So when you are grateful for the things you have in your life right now, you're increasing your vibrations, and it makes it easy to achieve your future goals, to achieve your desires. So, if you're not grateful for the things you have in your life, if you're not satisfied with it and you're asking for more, you won't get anything but the sadness, the same sort of sadness, because you're vibrating to the frequency of that negative emotion. So, you are attracting the same negative emotions in your life, no matter what you do. One of the best thing you can do is to express your gratitude towards every single thing that you have in your life. If you have parents, be grateful for your parents. If you have sisters, be grateful for your sisters, siblings. If you have a pet, if you have a house, if you have a food to eat, if you have if you have a good circle of friends, the list is on and on and on. You can, if you start doing it, at least I'll highly suggest you guys to start making a list of at least three things in your life that you're extremely grateful for, and be grateful for it genuinely. If you don't have anything in your life, just be grateful that you have a body. Just be grateful that you have, if you're seeing this video, you have internet connection, you have phone. Be grateful that even the living and non-living thing, there's no separation that you should be grateful for only living things. No, this one of the things I'm very grateful for is my phone. One of the things I'm very grateful for, this tripod that I am shooting this video right now. I'm very grateful for my house. I'm very grateful to the vehicle that I use to reach to my office. I'm very grateful to this mic, etc. When you start creating a list of all these things, and it won't take much time to you. When you start uh, recognizing all the small things, when you start acknowledging all the small things in your life, you shift your energy from the scarcity to the fulfillment, from scarcity to abundance. Suddenly you will realize you have so many things to be happy about in your life right now. It doesn't make any sense to be sad about something that you don't even have right now in your life. If you want to attract a loving partner in your life, just see around yourself. Are you grateful to the love that you right now you have in your life, like your parents who loves you a lot, like your siblings who loves you a lot, like the friends who loves you a lot, and other people in your life. If you're not grateful for the love you have right now in your life, and you're expecting that someone else will come in your life and that person will love you, then only you will accept that love, then only you will feel the love. This is something very messed up, honestly. In order to attract that love, that feeling of love in your life, be grateful for the love that you have right now in your life. If you want to be successful, and you're thinking I will be successful only if I'm earning this much amount of money, I'll be successful only after getting that job in a certain company, I'll be successful only if I'm famous, or something criteria you have kept for yourself. But in that journey of chasing all this success, are you grateful for the success that you already have in your life? Waking up every day is a success itself. It's in itself. Okay, you're walking on your 2 feet, it's also a success. you're having your meal, तुम सही सलामत घर पहुंच रहे हो, तुम सही सलामत घर से बाहर जा रहे हो, it's also a success, isn't it? When you start, please start counting all the small things as a success in order to vibrate in that energy of success, because in your mind you're already successful. And when you start thinking like that, you automatically attract success in other areas of life as well. So isn't it how amazing this whole concept is? Just to acknowledge the things you already have in your life, just to acknowledge that. And one of the thing I would highly suggest, along with showing gratitude towards the thing you have in your life, stop saying negative things to other people, stop being jealous, stop gossiping. This is uh, one of the thing that stops you from achieving your greater self, is doing all these small negative things. When you start yelling at people, when you scream at people, if things doesn't go your way, you automatically you become very depressed, you become very skibidi, and all this negative emotion rises up. So when you are doing all this thing along with the manifestation, it's doing nothing but stopping you from achieving your goals. You're gossiping about someone, you're bad mouthing about someone, you're going online saying mean things to other people who वो आपको जानते भी नहीं है, फिर भी आप ऑनलाइन जाकर लोगों को बुरा बोल रहे हो. This is doing no harm to that other person, it's more harming yourself. Okay, so stop all this small negative things in order to, if you want to achieve your higher self, greatest self. So one of the thing is this: stop comparing yourself with other people, because everyone has their own journey. Everyone has their own journey. You don't know what that other person has is going through right now, and you're just comparing your life with that other person in order to, make yourself feel bad, feel pity, and victimizing yourself. It won't do any good for you, and neither for the other people as well, because you, all this emotions, all this negativity is nothing but will make you feel more small, will make you feel more bad about yourself. So why to carry all this thing? Why to compare yourself with other person, even when you don't know what that other person is going through, what that other person has done, so many hard works or whatever it is, to achieve that goal in their life. So why to compare yourself? You have your own journey, and you will create your own way to achieve that success. So it's very important to understand, to shift the focus from outside to inwards. When you start doing all the small things, be grateful. When you start creating a list, if even if you don't want to write it, just say it in your heart that thank you so much that I have this life, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to live one more day, so that I can make difference in people's life, in my life. How small is this? It doesn't take any much time. It will take you hardly 5 to 10 seconds to express your gratitude towards it. This is the best way to start your day. When you're waking up, the first thing you can say that thank you so much for this life. Thank you so much for the beautiful and peaceful sleep. Thank you so much for this comfortable bed, etc., etc. You can say a lot of things. There's a whole things that like, if when once you start doing it, you will get a lot of things to be grateful about. So try this. One of the best technique you can do to raise your frequency and vibration is to adapt the attitude of gratitude, and it's one of the best thing you can do for yourself. Just try it and do let me know how did you feel about it. How did you like this video? Do let me know in the comment section. I love interacting with all of you guys. Thank you so much for showing me so much love in my previous video. I'm so grateful for you, to all this kind kind words, whatever you're saying, for all the support, all the love you're showing to me. I'm so grateful for that. Thank you so much for giving me your time. and I'm on a journey of helping at least 1 lakh people by the end of this year. So please help me to reach this 1 lakh people. Share this video, do subscribe it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.